guys, today wait. Hello guys, you know the previous video, Ruana, my friend, just pushed this friend of mine, Babuni. She was kind of sad, but I guess I'm gonna dance with her. Okay? Rumana pushed her and then said no to come to dance, and she didn't get any gifts. She didn't get any gifts. So we're just gonna dance with her and have fun. So let's dance. Okay, bye bye guys.